Hello everyone, I am Anutar from RR Green Maxwell School, Khedi Talwana. Today I am here to elaborate about artificial photosynthesis for fuel production. Artificial photosynthesis uses sunlight, water and carbon dioxide to create fuel, offering renewable and carbon neutral alternative to fossil fuels. This process is inspired by natural process of photosynthesis using catalyst to split into hydrogen and oxygen and then reducing into carbon dioxide to create fuels such as methane, methanol and hydrogen. While still facing challenges in catalyst efficiency and stability, then the potential benefits including reducing greenhouse gas emissions. How artificial photosynthesis work for fuel production? Mimicry nature. It replicates the natural process of photosynthesis where plants uses sunlight into carbon dioxide and water into hydrogen using catalyst. Special catalysts like manganese and cobalt oxide are used to speed up the chemical reaction and split into carbon dioxide. Now over to Anisha.
This process is engineered to produce a variety of fuels including hydrogen liquid which can be used in internal combustion engines. Benefits and potential: renewable and carbon neutral. The produced fuels are considered as renewable and carbon neutral because they are created from solar energy and help in reducing the atmospheric CO2 levels. Energy storage: unlike electricity from solar panel which is weather dependent on artificial photosynthesis, produces a storable fuel, intermittency issues and addressing. Clean transportation. The resulting hydrogen or other fuels can be used in power transportation because they are created from solar energy and they can adding the greenhouse effect to the atmosphere. Next, I will over to Swani.
Hello everyone, I am Shivani to elaborate. Challenges: catalyst efficiency. Current catalysts are not yet efficient or selective enough to produce fuel at industrial rate. Catalyst stability. Catalyst matter can degrade over time, making long-term operation difficult. Separating products. When producing a mixture of hydrogen and oxygen, a safe and efficient mixture can be required. A mixture can be explored. Thank you.